guys are fine. You guys are downhill. 3, 2, 1, and you're going downhill. Far away and downhill. Folks, you can see the white marking on his back. Right? That is why it's called a bit crate arm. First, because he's been there for 14 years, he knows his mountains like the back of his hand. The longest he's been out without returning is flying. Couple of years old guys on his run. Come on, Hugo, let's go. Coast is clear. Slowly making his way down. He's filtering out all that height. Once you land into wind, there we go. Throw the food on now. Lining up. Throw it on our lining up into wind. See if she's sure. Let's take it next to the boys. She's not sure yet. She see it go in now. I know it's in the she see it go in. Yes! Yeah, she can. Oh, she's taking her time at the moment. The guys are close to her, she's probably thinking, maybe I should ride one of them. Come on, Hugo, let's go. Yes! Ho! Come on, Jessica. Oh, guys are a little bit close to her. Hands up, watch your fingers flicking. Okay, commit, girl. There we go. Watch your hands, guys.
Folks, that is Squawk, and Squawk is a peregrine falcon. Why he's so vocal around me, he thinks I'm his mom.
Okay, all good. Once she's out there, she's safe, guys.
Folks, for those of you that came before the show started, she walked up on her perch to take a couple photographs. You can see how she would throw her head back and do the call for you. When the birds are sitting on perches, that's their comfort zone or their territory. You're the safe species invading her space. She warns you, keep walking in, she baits to take you out. Nasty. Folks, she was actually confiscated by KZN Wildlife from the guys and first given to another bird show to fly. All your training principles are with positive conditioning, and that is with food. You shape behavior with food. To show an imprinted bird feed on the fist, she tries to take you.
As those feet come out, you try to like this. I don't know how to get it to just remove it from his path. The guy's actually working, but he's not too happy, guys, because the other females above him. So you get the idea, by making him continually miss, you can give him a really good watch the female coming in behind him. She can't understand what's going on. Now folks, what we're doing here is we're just keeping him on the boil. It's a very hot day today, so we're not going to work him too hard. Okay? So once you think he's had enough exercise, no, dog, we're not hunting now. Once you think he's had enough exercise, it's slow enough and you give him a very easy kick. The wind's going down the slope, guys. This is a hunting dog. He always knows that when a falcon flies, there's an outside chance he might go hunting. You come around this and give us into the sky like that. To be honest with you, the bird wasn't focused on flying the lure. He was way more worried about the big female above him. Now, day or night, owls see pretty well. The sun doesn't bother that big eye. But more importantly, guys, he has got an Achilles heel. His long range and medium range vision, day or night, is good. The problem he has, because those big eyes are immovable in the eye socket, he battles to focus close up. In fact, the first 6 to 9 inches, this owl's almost as blind as a bat. If I take my hand like this, and I walk up to a person or a dog, and I move my hand quickly right in front of your eyes, what do? You dodge and you blink. I mean, you can see the dogs don't like it, even though she can hardly see. Take my hand in front of Hoots' head and nothing will happen at all. He doesn't know that's happening, guys. It's going dark, 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 can't see a thing. Obviously he's not enjoying it because he's getting a bit of wind in his face. But if you take a chicken egg like this, which he enjoys, and you hold it out there like that, at that range you can see it. You can see he's focused on it, okay? And then bring it to him and hide it. Watch what he does. Guys, for those in the front, you'll notice his eyes are closed. He's actually using the whiskers around his beak to feel. Watch what's going to happen now. Dog's got it. Turn my hand over. He's got no idea where it's looking. He's got no idea that chicken eggs are already in the dog's tummy. So guys, he has to have a way of getting around that. And how they do it very simply is they've been blessed with incredibly good hearing. In fact, about 80% of the time when an owl's hunt, he's using hearing rather than vision. If you're going to take that black eagle at the back, guys, that's a very typical bird of prey face. It's sharp, pointed, the eyes on the outside. All your owls have a big round dish of a face, okay? And the reason for that is they use the shape of their face to capture sound. They actually use it as a radar dish. Now what he does is he flies up onto a high tree at night, he scans. If he hears a mouse, he then stops, he'll move his head left, right, up and down 5 or 6 times. Once he knows where the sound's coming from, he then just follows and makes the kill. And that is why owls aren't fast, guys. His top end speed is about 55 to 60 km an hour, but he can fly without making a sound at all. So at night, 9 times out of 10 when he's hunting, the mouse or rat doesn't even hear him until it's all over.